educated, right?
Yes.
So I wanted to do NSM 10A, 10B, but I have never appeared for the exam, never filled the exam. I have only heard that it's a very tough exam. Then I came across Gautam Das. He is really helpful, and then he introduced to Sarbani ma'am, and the way she had taught us, I have studied 10B from ma'am, and just imagine within 5 to 7 classes, I have been able to clear the 10B with a very good score. So to all the new participants, I am saying that this is a very good platform. In today's world, we really need to have education, right? When we are qualified, only in that case we are able to give the quality service to our clients. Even the client also thinks that if my advisor is educated, has uh, cleared his exams, then he is really helpful. So in that case, I would really appreciate if everyone goes whatever ma'am teaches. That will be really helpful. And I hope everyone, all of us, clear 10A this time. Ma'am is teaching 10A this time. So that's my hope. Regarding myself, uh, with the help of Gautamda and Sarbani ma'am, I have cleared both 10A, 10B within the gap of 3 to 4 days. So that was really
Total span 10th September to 29th September. Total span.
Yeah, that was the span of teaching by Sarbani ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So that was a really excellent journey. Uh, I really think that everyone joins the classes and everyone gets very good marks, and we clear all our exams. So really all the best to all.
Yes. That was we have done a commando training. That's a we lucky enough that commandos all commandos are doing like commando. It's really hats off to all of you who are clearing the exam within 4 to 5 days in gap, 2 paper. That's not really hats off to all of you. Oh, thanks. Then I asked to Jyoti, please, Jyoti Panda. Jyoti kahan chalegi?
Yes, sir.
Yes. On
Yes,
your
sir.
body. Yes, fantastic.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
you second commando.
Yes, sir.
Who
First of all,
also
sir,
clear.
namaste, sir, to both my gurus, Gautam Da and Sarbani ma'am, sir.
Yes.
And
Namaste.
it would be really great at some point in time when I started, when I applied for NISM 10B under the guidance of Gautam Da and Sarbani ma'am. I myself was, very doubtful about me, whether I will be able to do it or not. But the kind of strategy she has followed and the kind of guidance they both have given, हम लोग बस चलते चले गए. It was like कि जैसे आपके आगे गाइड चल रहा है और आप उसको जस्ट फॉलो करते जा रहे हो एक घने जंगल में, एंड लास्ट में आपको एक खजाना मिल गया. It was the same journey if I just describe it. So it is like they both are the, जैसे एक होता है कि टॉर्च हमें एक रास्ता दिखाती है, गाइडिंग लाइट हमारे आगे चल रही है और हमें उसे फॉलो करना है. So I actually, regarding my story, I cleared 10A exam 3 years back. So my next 10A exam is due is actually expire in February 2022. So yes. I want to appear for new syllabus because I want to gain more knowledge. It is not only about passing the exam. I could have passed the 10A exam with the previous syllabus also because that was really very simple. But then I thought, let me take it a challenge and, enhance my knowledge and let's clear it. And if I have got teachers like Gautam Da and Sarbani ma'am, I think now I have no doubt that I will make it happen with their guidance. So thank you so much.
And what was the actually roadmap when you in the battlefield, when you are not getting the exam center, not the year? That's really which we have called the commando.
Yes, it was
How-
like
how-
if we are commandos, I would say that Gautam Da and Sarvani ma'am were commander in chief. Any problem getting on our way, whether we are not getting center, whether we are not able to understand some concept, whether we are not weak in numericals, she had gone out of the way. She has taken, you know, classes which were promised, like she promised 4 class, 5 class, 6 class. She has taken 7, 8 classes, and constant motivation through WhatsApp. So I would say it's like, you know, it has started changing my mindset that whatever I do, I can achieve that. मतलब मैं सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मेरे को इतना 15-20 दिन जो मैंने सर और मैम के साथ गुजारे हैं, मैं मेरा एक साइड दूसरा बिजनेस भी है, मैं वैदिक मैथ्स पढ़ाती हूँ, और अब मेरा उस बिजनेस में भी बहुत ज्यादा फोकस और एक बहुत ज्यादा, यू नो, टारगेट ओरिएंटेड एक जो इन्होंने वो चीज दिया ना, मतलब आई थिंक वो जो एक मेरे अंदर वो एक जुनून भर दिया है, वो आप कहीं भी जाएंगे अपने बिजनेस के अलावा, अगर आप कोई साइड हसल भी शुरू करते हैं, उसमें भी आपको इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प. और कोई भी आपको दिक्कत आता है, दे हैव गॉट एवरीथिंग. मॉक टेस्ट, आपको लाइव मॉक टेस्ट सिनेरियो शी हैज प्रोवाइडेड, एंड दैट थिंग आई थिंक अगर मैंने अपने आप किया होता, मेरे लिए अनअचीवेबल था ये चीज लेना. तो शी प्रोवाइडेड दैट मॉक टेस्ट सिनेरियो, एक्चुअल केस स्टडीज जो हम एग्जाम में फेस करते हैं, बिल्कुल वही केस स्टडीज हमने सॉल्व करी बार बार, 4 बार, 6 बार, 8 बार, 10 बार, वॉट एवर टाइम शी वाज सेइंग. जितना अगर उन्होंने कहा 10 बार करो, तो बस आंख बंद करके एज ए स्टूडेंट हमको 10 बार फॉलो करना है, एंड यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट्स. इट्स लाइक कि इट्स वंडरफुल, इट्स रिमार्केबल. मेरे पास तो वर्ड ही नहीं है सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
ये तो परीक्षा एग्जाम तो क्लियर का बात हुआ, लेकिन ये हमारा एक्चुअली काम में, बिजनेस में इसका इफेक्ट क्या हुआ, वो थोड़ा बताएंगे तो ये लोग का जो लोग नया है उसके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. ये एनआईएसएम के ओनली की सर्टिफिकेशन ना, हमारा बिजनेस इसमें अच्छा होगा कि नहीं, क्या होगा?
Very good question, sir. Sir, I am doing MFD for just last 4.5 years. Okay, and मैंने एग्जाम क्लियर किया था 23rd September को. अभी आप सोचिए 1 महीना हुआ है. I got one client who has given me his HUF account to manage. Means I am enrolling and I am onboarding a HUF for a mutual fund business. Second, I got one NRI person from US to manage his funds. So मतलब एक ना चमत्कार जैसे मैं कहूँ, मैंने तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था, because I was going very 4.5 साल ही हुआ है, और I was going very low pace. मैं आप सबके कंपैरिजन में अगर मैं अपना करूँ तो बहुत ही मेरा कम AUM होगा, है ना. लेकिन 1 महीने के अंदर जिस तरह से लोगों ने मुझे अप्रोच करना शुरू किया थ्रू दी रेफरेंसेस, एंड आई कैन ऑल्सो टॉक टू देम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली. एक वो चीज जो मेरे अंदर आई कि मैं एनआरआई क्लाइंट के संग भी बात कर सकती हूँ. किसी ने मेरे को कहा कि मेरा HUF मैनेज करो म्यूचुअल फंड में, तो मैं वो भी मैनेज कर सकती हूँ. तो it's like hand holding and everything. It's remarkable. I think business, आप लोग तो बहुत सीरियस इनटू दिस बिजनेस है, मेरे लिए तो साइड हसल के तरह लेती हूँ मैं इसको, और अवेयरनेस फैलाने का काम करती हूँ ज्यादा. लेकिन मेरे पास भी बिजनेस फ्लो करके आ रहा है, जबकि मैंने कोई एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं लगाया अपनी तरफ से. इट इज ऑल बिकॉज द क्वालिफिकेशन इज वन थिंग, द नॉलेज इज द अंडरलाइंग थिंग. पास एग्जाम आप अपने आप भी पढ़ के कर लेंगे, कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है, लेकिन जो आपको हैंड होल्डिंग मिलेगा, जो आपको एक एक कंसेप्ट का जो आपको क्लियरेंस मैम प्रोवाइड कराएंगी, वो आपको किसी भी क्लाइंट के संग इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली आप बात कर पाएंगे दैट मतलब ये तो सिर्फ फील करने वाली बात है सर. मतलब क्या बताऊं सर, मैं आई हैव रियली फेल्ट दैट. I got मतलब you know business worth lakhs in 1 month.
Yes, you now you can handle the NRI client.
Yes sir.
जो सोचा नहीं
कभी नहीं सर, कभी नहीं. मतलब मैं तो इन्वेस्टर अवेयरनेस और थोड़ा उस तरफ मेरा ज्यादा रुझान था. पर when you know people are coming to you and they are asking for help, why not I should provide them help and guidance. Okay, that is the idea, and they are trusting on me because I have knowledge. I can talk confidently. So आप ये सब मत सोचिए कि आप यहाँ पर एग्जाम पास करने हैं. एग्जाम आप पास कर लेंगे, एग्जाम इज नो बिग डील. नॉलेज जो मैम आपको देंगी वो अल्टीमेट है. इट इज आउट ऑफ द बुक. मतलब बुक के अंदर की नॉलेज, आउट ऑफ द बुक नॉलेज, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, मतलब क्या क्या नहीं मिलता मैं तो बता नहीं सकती. बहुत है, बहुत गजब है.
यस, इसमें जो 2 चीज हम लोग किया है, उसमें एक है इनकम रिप्लेसमेंट जो मैथ किया था, और एक एक्सपेंस रिप्लेसमेंट मैथ. जिसके सम एश्योर्ड इंश्योरेंस जो काम करता है उसके लिए सम एश्योर्ड जो बनता है, तो आदमी लोग का तो 99.9% आदमी का अंडर वैल्यूड है, अंडर इंश्योर्ड है। किसी का इंश्योर्ड वही नहीं है जो उनका चाहिए, किसी का नहीं है इंडिया में। लेकिन सब बोलता है हमारा बहुत इंश्योरेंस काम कर रहा है, सीओटी टीओटी बोलता है, लेकिन वो जब एनालाइज करेंगे तो पता चलता है कि उसका 90% क्लाइंट का इंश्योरेंस वो सम एश्योर्ड बहुत कम दे देगा। किसी का 10 to 15 लाख 20 लाख से ज्यादा किसी का नहीं है, क्योंकि ये लोग वो समझ नहीं पाता है ये क्या है। तो ये जब कोर्स करेंगे तो उनका पता चल जाएगा, तो उनका इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस भी कितना बड़ा होगा ये पता नहीं।
यस, अगर आपके मान लीजिए पास एक क्लाइंट आता है जो कहता है कि आई वांट अ टर्म प्लान फॉर 1 करोड़, आप जब उसका इनकम रिप्लेसमेंट एनालिसिस करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि उसकी ह्यूमन लाइफ वैल्यू तो 10 करोड़ है, वो 1 करोड़ की पेंशन क्यों इंश्योरेंस क्यों ले रहा है? एंड व्हेन यू विल कन्विंस हिम विद नॉलेज, ही विल अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ मैं तो अपने आप को 1 करोड़ का व्यक्ति समझता हूँ, जबकि मैं तो 10 करोड़ का हूँ। तो आपको देखिए 10 टाइम्स मतलब जंप है। सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट नॉलेज, ट्रांसफरिंग नॉलेज एंड स्पीकिंग कॉन्फिडेंटली। तो आपको ये कोर्स करना है, मैं भी अगर ये कोर्स कर रही हूँ तो मेरा ध्येय एग्जाम पास करना नहीं है, ज्ञान लेना है, टॉक कॉन्फिडेंटली टू द पीपल एंड क्लाइंट। एग्जाम अपने आप पास हो जाएगा, इतना अगर मैंने कर लिया।
ऑब्वियसली, यस यस। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सर। मैं तो आपको प्रणाम करती हूँ सर, आपको।
नहीं, एकदम सबका ये है कि हम लोग का जो मिशन था कि ये हम लोग का नॉलेज बढ़ाना है, कि ओनली नॉलेज द टूल which we have used and go ahead.
Yes.
Otherwise we can't. Without knowledge nobody can move one place to another place.
Yes.
So we Definitely. need
आप कोई ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म में भी रजिस्टर करेंगे, 1500 रुपए पे करेंगे, आपको मॉक टेस्ट मिल जाएंगे, आपको बहुत कुछ मिल जाएगा।
लेकिन उसका आंसर जो अटक जाएगा, उसका क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं मिलेगा।
पर वो आपको ना वो ज्ञान की तलाश जो है वो मेरी यहीं आके पूरी हुई है। लेट मी टेल यू वेरी फ्रैंकली।
और एक चीज जो है वो तो एग्जाम का हॉल का तो एक एग्जाम होता है, तो एग्जाम का बाहर का जो एग्जाम होता है लाइफ का वो जो हम लोग सिखाया, जो आपका एग्जाम का पहले जो आपका एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा वो कैसे आप सब हैंडल करेंगे, हाउ टू मैनेज योर एग्जाम,
एवरीथिंग। इट्स लाइक 360। आपको एक पूरा एक 360 अप्रोच मिलता है एग्जाम क्लियर करने का, नॉलेज गेन करने का, क्लाइंट से कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करने का, एक्सेल शीट पे काम करने का,
इंक्लूडिंग फाइनेंशियल कैलकुलेटर।
इंक्लूडिंग फाइनेंशियल कैलकुलेटर। मेरे को पास तो नहीं है फाइनेंशियल कैलकुलेटर, बट मैम हैज टेकन एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस फॉर दोज हु वर डूइंग यूजिंग फाइनेंशियल कैलकुलेटर। तो बहुत सारा चीज मिलता है। एंड उसके बाद भी देखिए, एग्जाम देने के बाद भी मैं सर से कनेक्टेड हूँ। अभी मुझे कोई दिक्कत है मैं सर को फोन करूंगी एंड सर इज ऑल आउट टू सपोर्ट। दैट इज ऐसा नहीं है कि एग्जाम खत्म हो गया हम लोग अपने अपने रास्ते चले गए। वी आर इन द सेम बिजनेस और हमें साथ में ग्रो करना है। हमें एक दूसरे का मदद चाहिए। कोई कहीं हम अटकते हैं क्लाइंट से बात करने में, उसमें तो हमें एक दूसरे का मदद चाहिए। तो हम एक कम्युनिटी बन गए, इकट्ठा एक परिवार हो गया अभी। वो सब है, मतलब बहुत कुछ है।
एग्जैक्टली। थैंक यू सो मच। अभी ज्वाइन किया है देवदत्ता जो है, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। देवदत्ता।
हाँ, हेलो सर।
यस।
मैं सेकेंडरी टीचर हूँ और मैंने म्यूचुअल फंड की 5A एग्जाम म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर दी है अभी।
ओके, फैंटास्टिक।
वो मैं 83 मार्क्स को मिलकर पास हुआ हूँ।
ओके।
और मैं म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर एज वर्क करता हूँ।
ओके। तो NSM 10A 10B के बारे में आप सुना है क्या पहले?
नहीं सुना सर।
सुना है तो
इसलिए जो मीटिंग को ज्वाइन होगा।
हाँ,
जानकारी
इसमें जो नॉलेज है एक्चुअली ये इंडियन फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल मार्केट के बारे में सब कुछ जानकारी आप तब मिलेगा। ये जो दोनों पेपर है NSM 10A लेवल 1 और 10B लेवल 2, ये दोनों CFP से ज्यादा सिलेबस है। आप CFP के नाम सुना होगा, CFP सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लान, जो US का डिग्री है, जो अभी करीब करने के लिए 2 लाख रुपया लगता है और 1 साल लगता है। तो अभी हमारा ये NSM 10A 10B का जो सिलेबस हो गया, नया जो सिलेबस 30 सितंबर से चालू हुआ, ये CFP से ज्यादा हो गया। इसमें हम लोग जो सिलेबस देख लिया, इसके ये जो कंप्लीट कर लेंगे तो आपका किसी का पास क्वेश्चन नहीं करना पड़ेगा, किसी का पास पूछना नहीं पड़ेगा जे इंडियन इकोनॉमी क्या है, किसका क्या है नहीं है, पूरा आंसर आपका पास ला जाएंगे। ये दोनों चैप्टर जब आप क्लियर कर लेंगे, ये इतना अच्छा मॉड्यूल बनाया एनआईएस से हमारा इंडिया गवर्नमेंट में, जो मॉड्यूल बनाया हमारे, ये काम के लिए बहुत बड़ा चीज है। ये सबका कि आपका धोखा देने वाला कोई नहीं रहेगा। क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, जब आप म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री में काम करेंगे तो ये देखिए हर एएमसी वाला क्या है, वो लोग वो देखिए जो ये मिल्कमैन है, मिल्कमैन कभी नहीं बोलता है उनका मिल्क में वाटर है, कोई मिल्क पानी बोलता है उनका दूध में पानी है, कोई बोलते नहीं। तो वो ऐसा ही एएमसी वाला उसका जो समझ लीजिए 20-30 फंड है, उसमें तो पानी वाला फंड बहुत है। तो देखिए सबका फंड का कमीशन मॉडल सेम है, तो आप खराब फंड क्यों बेचे? तो इसलिए तो आपका जानकारी तो कोई एमसी वाला नहीं देंगे, तो नहीं आपका देंगे। जानकारी आपका ही खुद कर लेना पड़ेगा। वो नॉलेज आपका, कौन सा फंड अच्छा है कौन सा फंड बुरा है, ये जो डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए ये आपका जरूरी है, ये लर्निंग। इसमें आपका पता चल जाएगा कि फंड ए, फंड बी, फंड सी, क्यों फंड ए अच्छा है, क्यों फंड बी अच्छा बुरा है, क्यों फंड सी उससे अच्छा है। तो इसका जो पैरामीटर है, इसका जो अंदर का जो कॉम्बिनेशन अल्फा बीटा या शार्प रेशियो, टेनर रेशियो, अब जब सीख जाएंगे ना तो आपका किसी का पूछना नहीं पड़ेगा जो कौन सा फंड अच्छा होगा, हम कौन सा क्लाइंट को कौन सा फंड देंगे, कौन सा एमसी का देंगे। तो ये जब आप समझिए कोई एक प्रोडक्ट बैलेंस एडवांटेज फंड हर कंपनी हर एमसी का पास है, लेकिन कौन सा एमसी का वो अच्छा फंड है वो ढूंढने के लिए आपका ये सीखना पड़ेगा, तब ये आप कर पाएंगे। नहीं तो आप वो एमसी वाला का क्या बात सुनेंगे तो जब मार्केट गिरेंगे तो आपका फंड देखेंगे 20-30% जब कैपिटल इरेशन होगा तो आपका क्लाइंट आपको तो गाली देंगे, वो तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे, बोले आप कैसा इन्वेस्टमेंट करा दिया, मेरा पैसा तो डूब गया। तो इसलिए नॉलेज जरूरी होगा, क्योंकि आज देखिए पे आउट सबके लिए बड़ा little different but equally, so you need to learn the thing about the industry. Thank you so much। रहिए संग में, हम लोग कोशिश करता है। तो लास्ट हम बसंत कुलकर्णी जी जो हमारा पूरा दोस्त है, वो पहले सेशन भी था। बसंत जी थोड़ा बताइए। हेलो बसंत जी।
हाँ
हाँ।
For a long time I wanted to do this NISM 1B, 10A and 10B. Somebody sent me this link and I joined both trainings, but I could clear only NISM 10A. And now 10B, as sir said, that Nippon is going to start again in
after Diwali.
November after Diwali.
Yes.
So I will take benefit of that, and I hope to clear 10B.
Yes, definitely. And we are with you, sir. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
We are always with you. Our mission is to enhancement our fraternity.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much. Now I introduce our faculty, Madam Sharbani Rai. Please introduce yourself and start today's program.
Hi, I'm Sharbani Roy. Actually, I have taken the responsibility, as discussed with Gautam and previous candidates were there of our NISM 10B batch, that is Vipin ji and Jyoti ji. So in this journey, I would expect that all of you will be there with us. And I'm also I myself has also completed CFP. I completed an NISM 10A and 10B, but there are more questions coming one after the other that why should you actually go through NISM 10A? So I hope my introduction will help you to introduce myself. And I would straight away ask one question to all of you. Anybody can answer to me that which do you think is easier, transformation or transaction? All of you are advisors. All of you are more or less working in this industry. Some of you are working for 3 decades, maybe some are lesser than that. And I'm also not a veteran to this industry in business, but I worked as a trainer, as a corporate trainer for last 20 years. So I too am searching for the answer. So I want everybody you can participate in this. Which do you think is very easy? Transaction or transformation? One line answer, anybody can give it.
Write in chat box. We can understand what is transaction or what is transmission.
What is transaction and what is which is easy for you to do it? Transaction, I would say, I can give you a short clue, a small clue to both the words. Transformation means change, and transaction means the business that you do. So which do you think is easier?
Yeah, I would think the transformation would be an easier path because transaction will be an inbuilt part of it.
Okay.
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 Okay. So basically, if we see, most of transaction is a small circle. I want to share something. Just a minute. You can see the screen if you want. So this is the picture. Can you see the picture of transaction?
Yes.
And transformation? So this is the picture. This is transformation and this is transaction. So transformation is actually a bigger picture. It's a bigger picture. It is a change in your lifestyle. How much you say transformation is not at all an easy task. Transaction is actually an easy task. See, you are all into a business. When you have entered to this platform or you have decided to go through NISM 10A and 10B, you actually want a transformation of yourself. You are going into the learning mode. You want to enhance yourself in this competition. It is actually talking about your survival. How you are going to survive yourself after 5 years down the line. Because competition is not now which you are facing. You will face it after 5 years down the line when knowledge becomes a challenge for you. You have to work for that. Because people, we should not work for today. We should always work for our future, as we do it for our investors. We tell them how the future will be and why should they go for a planning. It can be a retirement plan, it can be an education plan, it can be a marriage plan, it can be buying a car, it can be buying a house, it can be anything. Whatever you plan, that actually is a future thing which you are showing to the investor. So why not for you? Why not for you? Why that transformation is not happening to you? Because today's world, you have to face different challenges. And there are a lot of benefits of doing NISM 10A and 10B both. And
personal
I would
life.
first, yes, and there are a lot of things being done. If anybody has the book in hand or you have the online access to the book, I would suggest that please, if you want, you can take out the book. It is given in the book itself. Why do we require NISM 10A? I'm not going to talk about 10B now because I will be talking, since we are into training of NISM 10A, 10B is always, it is a continuous process. So if I say about 10A, that means I'm taking about 10AB also. So if I go through this preface, which is given over here, see here, this is a very important line given over here. NISM certification examinations and training programs provide a structured learning plan and career path to students and job aspirants who wish to make a professional career in the security markets. They have told it very, very clearly. NISM certification exams and training programs provide a structured learning plan. That means I know that each one of you are in this business for a decade or more than that. But are you organized is a question. When you do a financial plan, are you doing it in a structured way? How many of you are actually able to handle all your clients or start up with every client with a risk profiling? I'm not talking about a verbal risk profiling. आप कितना साल आपका फंड आप रख सकते हैं, वो मुंह में बोल दिया हम 10 साल तक रख सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं मैं उठाएंगे नहीं. That is not risk profiling. I'm saying a structured risk profiling. And how many of you are reviewing that risk profiling after every 6 months? NISM teaches you that. I would say teaches you that. I won't say it trains you. It teaches you that how you are going to do that in a structured way. Whenever you are doing a simple tool, using a simple tool of risk profiling, you can understand the behavior of an investor. And NISM teaches you that. You can understand from here how you should do risk profiling with your customer, how you are going to talk to your customer. It also talks about your sales skill. It also talks about how you are going to approach a HNI client, HNI investor. It talks about tax planning. People might ask you to do business, to open a business. He has a business and he wants to open an account of his own business, not of an individual, but of a non-individual account. How you are going to open that? It teaches you that. Because today's world is highly competitive. Suppose you say, sir, I am going to get the information and get back to you. You don't know that how many people he or she is going to ask within that 24 hours. And Google search will be the easiest way. And Google is ready to answer all questions. He will be able to connect everybody. Or it will be able to connect everybody, each and everybody. Social media is now so active. I would say no, not active. I will say so proactive that within that 24 hours, that client might not get back to you at all. That is why you require an NISM 10A and 10B training. It grooms you as an advisor. And different segments of it is given structured learning plan, career path to students and job aspirants who wish to make professional career in the security markets. It's given over here. It's so important. See, it is given. NISM supports candidate by providing lucid and focused workbooks that assist them in understanding the subject and preparing for the examination. So it is, the language is very simple. It is not difficult. It is not at all difficult. But the internal meaning of those lines, you need a guidance, a help, or somebody who can make you understand and make it more easy for you to understand. That is why you need to attend the training. It will actually drive you towards your success of clearing NISM 10A in one go. Next is, there is another more important thing, which is also mentioned over here. See, here it is given in the book itself. It has been clearly given. Certification creates quality market professionals. Quality market professionals. Those who are thinking that I will call my investor and I can do business in the way I am doing today. It is not at all possible. Because suppose you approach an investor for an insurance also. So you must be know if that investor might be asking you, can you tell me how much of insurance do I require? Can you calculate and give me an accurate answer that already I have taken an insurance plan of 25 lakhs? Am I eligible to take more than that? How do you do the calculation? Or you can quit from the place and give opportunity for somebody who is a qualified professional. You can quit, or you give an opportunity to another professional to approach to that place. Because nowadays the competition is so high that people are slowly moving towards enhancing their knowledge. So the quality of today's advisor has raised the bar. Then why not you? Then why not you raising the bar? And catalyzes greater investor participation in your markets. It is just like a catalyst that ignites and enhances your business. Just for example, I would say our existing candidates who have passed out in our last batches, they only have given live examples that it was very difficult for them to approach an NRI or an NRO client previously. But currently, they are able to do it. Why? Because now they are quite confident that they will be able to handle it. They are handling HUFs also. Why? Because they are capable now, or they feel themselves confident enough to handle those clients. So certification also provides structured career paths to students and job aspirants in the security markets. So there are a many opportunities over here. And you actually groom yourself as an advisor when you are going through the learning procedure of NISM 10A and 10B. And another most important thing is that those who are saying that you have already completed your NISM 10A and you haven't appeared in the last or the previous old course of NISM 10B, and you will be appearing for the NISM 10B in the new course, I would suggest it will not be an easy task. It will not be a bed of roses. It will be a bed of thorns, because most of the caselets which were covered previously in NISM 10B are given now in 10A. The caselets are not in 10B now. All the caselets has been shifted to 10A. So 10B is a completely new structure. Previously, we had 6 chapters and 1 additional chapters in 10A. Currently, there are 20 chapters in 10A. And each chapter is not less than 10 pages. And whatever caselets you have done in NISM 10B in the previous course, caselets, whatever you have done in the previous course in 10B, all the caselets are there in one chapter. That is the first chapter itself. All the caselets are there. So now you think 10B will not be an easy thing for you to pass if you don't revise 10A. That is the most challenge. And second thing, I would say some important things which are incorporated in 10A, on which there will be case studies in 10B. I would be showing you. And before going to that, I just want to share certain things. Exam objectives. On successful completion of the examination, the candidate should know the basic personal financial planning. Now the course has enhanced. It actually has stretched. I will show you the book. It is so fat. I've taken a printout of it. It is so fat, so fat. I'm unable to carry it. It's a huge book. It's a huge book now. You can see it. It's a huge fat book. It's not like the previous one. It's not at all like the previous one. 300 pages has been added. 300 pages has been added. On successful completion of the examination, the candidate should have a basic personal financial planning on the first. See, now in NISM 10A only they are saying that financial planning, time, value, and money. It is actually a part of 10B. Now it is included in 10A. Evaluation of financial position of clients, debt management and loans, part of 10B, now in 10A. Understanding about Indian financial market and Indian security market segments, part of 10B, now in 10A. Get oriented with different kinds of investment products, that is equity, debt, derivatives, managed portfolios, mutual fund portfolio management, and alternative investments of fund. Previously was 10B, now in 10A. Okay, know about the portfolio construction, performance monitoring, and evaluation. All were part of 10B, now in 10A. This is the main challenge. Understand about operational aspect of investment management, key regulation, ethical issues on investment advisor and grievance redress system. Money. I can't explain you what confusion the previous batch had in chapter 6, and that is now included in 10B, 10A, not a part of 10B. So now you can understand, if the whole almost 50% of the 10B course has been shifted to 10A, then what could be 10B?
And all are maths.
All are maths. From the first chapter itself, I just want to share. And now the total marks is 150. And out of that, 60% means 90 should be correct questions from your end. Previously 60, now 90. The total marks is 150. 90 question you have to answer correctly. So how the question will be set up? 90 questions, 1 mark each. So you cannot definitely say that all the 90 questions will be your common questions. So if one wrong, 0.25 gone. Okay. And there will be 9 case-based questions, which was not there. Previously, it was not there. I have the previous book also with me. In NISM 10B book, I will show you. If you want, I can show you now itself. The same thing which is written here as 9 case-based questions, the same thing was in 10B, not in 10A. 3 cases with 5 questions of 2 marks each. In presence of my existing candidates, I would say 2 marks question was not at all a part of 10BA previously. It was only theory-based questions and one-liners also. And those are so basic questions. One who has a knowledge of at least 2-3 years experience in this market can pass 10A at one go. 10B was a challenge because there was a case study. There were case studies and caselets. But now all has been shifted to the total 10B almost has been shifted to 10A. Now you can imagine what would be 10B. What they are going to add in 10B. Okay, so the examination timing also has changed, 3 hours, because it's a 150 marks. The passing score of the examination is 60%, which is 90 marks out of 150. So from 60, your journey has gone to 90. So there will be negative marks also, 25% of your marks. So if you do one wrong, 0.25 gone. And if it is a 2 marks question, it is 0.5 deduction. Okay, so these are the main things. And if I could take
exam fees also increased to 1,500 to
yes,
now
yes.
3,000.
3,000 because everything has increased. The syllabus increased, the increment of the, I don't know, they have included everything of 10B into 10A. Now what will be 10B, we don't know. That is the question, actually. Yes. That is the question. If whole syllabus of 10B of previous has been incorporated in 10A, then what will be 10B?
Vastly.
Vast. It has become so vast. And I would just...
It is covered CFP plus, I think.
Exactly. And I have given CFP and I'm going through this only. Yes, Gautamda, for sharing with all my candidates. I would suggest just a view of the first chapter. I would give you a glimpse of the first chapter. Since I have opened the book, I just want to give you a glimpse. See, first chapter is Introduction of Personal Financial Planning. First chapter itself is Personal Financial Planning.
That is CFP first part.
First part.
CFP.
It is gist. Okay, so understand the concept of financial planning is your first chapter. So you will actually become a structured advisor after passing this examination. And there is no CPE. You have to give exam after before the completion of 3 years to keep your license. And I would suggest that there is no other option of survival in this market for a long run, because now people will always handhold a person with a knowledge. Because now a lot of things are available to the investors. So everybody is searching for somebody who can guide them, actually. Irrespective of all the changes that is happening in the market, still there are people in the market who wants still a guide. As like you who are there in this journey with us, that you can do your learning yourself, but still you wanted somebody to guide you. Still people want somebody, one who can facilitate, guide, or be a coach or a mentor to his or her life. Irrespective of the monetary affairs. Because irrespective of the fees, I would say, you will get 10 times, I won't say 10 times, 100 times enhancement of your business after passing today's syllabus of 10A and 10B. I'm telling you, I can give you a challenge, 100 times more business than you are doing it today, because you will be so confident in doing a financial planning, doing a risk profiling, talking to your investor, reviewing with your investor.
You can handle with HNI.
HNI,
any
sharing,
HNI.
Those who are doing somebody, like for example, somebody has told that he is an insurance advisor. If you're an insurance advisor, you will be able to explain the illustration that is given to you. And you can create your own illustration, which will become a real help to your investor. It is not about selling a product to your customer. When you pass NISM 10A and 10B, you will be like a doctor who gives an advice to your investor. They want somebody who can handhold him or her and help him to reach their goal, reach their journey. They can free fall on you. So that transformation should happen on you. It should not be a transaction. It should be a transformation. So here I can share you some glimpses. Understand the concept of financial planning. So this is the first chapter. So financial planning aims at ensuring the household and individual has adequate income and resources to meet current and future expenses and needs. So the first chapter was totally changed. So from the first chapter itself, the book has targeted to groom you or enhance your knowledge and raise the bar to a level where you will be actually reach the target or the focus you have in your personal life. So the regular income for a household or an individual may come from sources such as profession, salary, business, or even investments. They have told you this is the main concept of financial planning. And immediately it starts with a case study. The first chapter, immediately it starts with a case study, which was actually a part of 10B. So they will give you a case study here itself. Vinod is 40 years old and earns 2 lakhs a month. He is able to save about 40,000 a month. A real life example, somebody you can change the figures. From 40, you can make it 45 or 35 or 30, whatever it is. Earns 2 lakhs a month, is able to save 40,000 a month after meeting all the routine expenses of his family, paying the loans for his house, car, and other needs. His investments include those of tax savings, bank deposits, bonds, and some mutual funds. I hope all of you get examples like this in your real life. He pays a premium of life insurance for himself and his wife. Vinod is the sole earning member of his family, and he believes he takes care of the finances adequately to take care of the current and future needs. So he's confident that he can take care of the current and future needs of his family. How would financial planning help him? So you have to make that person understand how financial planning is going to help him. So here they have shown you an example. I'm just sharing only because you will be able to understand what is the course actually. The following are the set of indicative issues that financial planning will help Vinod resolve. So you are giving him a resolution. As the sole earning member, he had made provisions for taking care of his expenses by creating an emergency fund if the current income is interrupted for any reason. So now you are asking a question to the client. If any case you have made all the arrangements, suppose there is a contingency which is coming to a family or an emergency coming to a family, you are not there. Mr. Vinod is not there. How you are going to take care of your financial expenses or needs of your family? Next question, does he have adequate insurance cover which will take care of his family's requirement in the event of his ultimate demise? So if he has an insurance, how much of insurance does he have? Because his current income is 2 lakhs. So, and his monthly savings is 40,000. So there are two calculations of insurance. One is income replacement method, one is expense replacement method. How or which to use it actually during this meeting with your HNI investor. Because he's saying I am having a life insurance, or how you are going to approach it. So does the family have adequate health insurance cover so that any medical emergency does not use up all the accumulated savings? So now you can understand so many questions you can ask to that particular investor on the defined case study that is being given to you. And I would say those who are of my previous batch, they will also agree to me. This type of learning also did not happen in NISM 10B in the previous old book. So much of detailing was not there. But this time it has been added. Because the focus is to create a complete advisor. One who can actually take care of the client or the investor. So next I would say understanding the need of the financial planning. So you have to understand how you are going to present it. You have made the question, but how you are going to present it? Sometimes you get an objection. नहीं हमारे पास उतना टाइम नहीं है. 5 मिनट में बता दीजिए ना मेरे को कितना इंश्योरेंस चाहिए. 5 मिनट में बोल दीजिए ना मेरे को SIP कितना करना है. इतना टाइम हम कैसे देंगे? How can you make him understand it is your life solution? Do you not love your beloved ones? Will you not give time for them? How will you make him understand so that 2 minute 2 घंटा में बदल जाए? And he is able to explain you. So this book will actually help you to groom on that. So there are many things. I'm just identifying few things which are very, very important and which has been incorporated. That is goal setting and prioritizing goals. These were also not a part of NISM 10B in our previous book. I hope Gautam Da also agrees.
Yes.
It was
already
not a part. Goal setting and prioritizing goal was not there.
Completely new thing. This is
completely new thing. And and there will be case studies on that. So the financial planning, this was actually a part of CFP we had done. Those who have done CFP.
Yes. Actually, this syllabus is CFP plus, which I have told. This is CFP plus, not CFP. CFP plus. So
yes.
NSM 10 and 10B.
Yes.
Because we know the CFP syllabus.
Yes. So this is one. And sometimes client can stagger you with the goals. Stagger you. अरे अभी तो मेरे को इंश्योरेंस करना ही नहीं है, इतना टाइम नहीं है. आपको ऐसा भी होता है क्लाइंट हम लोग को चेक दे दिया लेकिन they haven't put the date और बोल दिया कि जब हम डिपॉजिट करेंगे you give me a call. And whenever you are depositing, but trying to deposit or giving him a call, sir, can I deposit the check now? नहीं अभी इंश्योरेंस का अभी नहीं जमा कीजिए. So they're deferring it. So you can do a calculation on the delay cost. You can do a calculation on the delay cost. Those who stagger of their goals. The delay cost means if the person had taken a decision last year in March 2020 to start an SIP, and the client is calling you today and telling you, I have decided now to start an SIP. Madam, please, मेरे को एक SIP कर दीजिए. So how can I show him the delay cost he has paid for the same SIP he is doing? That is staggering timing of certain goals. So Here you will be doing that. You will be also doing calculation on budgeting, a family budgeting, how a household budget is to be done. You will be learning about insurance planning. Insurance planning. So several unexpected expenses comes in our life. So how you are going to take care of that? Your debt management and counseling was a part of NISM 10B. Debt management and counseling was a part of NISM 10B, now is a part of NISM 10A. Okay, so tax planning, which was not so important previously, but now it is very, very important. Taxation is something, it is actually a taxation for us when we are doing investments for our investors. Okay, we need to have certain knowledge about our taxation. So there are certain goals being given, which is very, very important. We will be doing it in the class in detailing when you will be attending. So in the retirement planning, estate planning, concept of asset, liabilities and net worth. And there are many additional subjects being given, which was not there.
It also include estate planning, which were not there.
Which is not there. See, not the calculation, see, the calculation of present value is in NISM 10A, which was a part of 10B. It is now here.
Completely here.
Completely here. So you must be knowing what could be your syllabus in 10B. So 10B and your calculation of PV, FV calculation has been incorporated here already in chapter 2. Future value calculation, all are here. So they have given all the calculations. So chapter 2 is completely maths. Okay, completely maths. It is completely maths. It is not in, see, it is completely maths. I'm showing you just a glimpse of it. And there are many things. See, these are all the calculations. CAGR calculation was a part of 10B. It has now become in 10A. Okay, so I would show you period of loan, NPER. It was not there. Now period of loan calculation is here. Loan calculation was not a part of 10B also last syllabus.
Yes.
It is a part of now. It was a part of CFP, but now it is a part of NISM 10A. Annuity, if you see, annuity, we only talked about deferred annuity and immediate annuity in NISM 10A in the previous syllabus. So now we will be talking about ordinary annuity and we will be doing calculations on that. Okay, annuity due. You have a calculation on that. Perpetuity, you will be having calculations on that. Cash flow on perpetuity is the cash flow from an investment that goes on forever. If some investment goes on forever, infinite, if it is, how the calculation goes. So these are a part of it. So I'm just giving a glimpse. Personal finance is still continuing in chapter 3. So these calculations are there, cash flow. So these are the type of calculations already given in chapter 3 itself. So here are few additional things, that is moratorium, bank moratorium and P2P, which are new learning, which will be coming over here. See, savings ratio, expense ratio. Those who are in my last batch, they can immediately correlate to this. Savings ratio, expense ratio was not at all a part of 10A. It was completely in 10B. You can open your book and you can check it also. If you have your previous.
Bipin enjoying.
It is a part of savings ratio, expense ratio. Okay. It has come over here. Saving total asset calculation, come over here. Okay. Liability calculation here. Leverage ratio here. So these are all were part of 10B. All has been given to 10A. And all the case studies that you had done in 10B, all case studies are in 10A now. So there will be new type of case studies coming in 10B. Okay. See, liquid assets. It's really I'm thinking how you are going to take, if you don't give time, how are you going to pass the examination if you don't give time? And it is so valuable now to become past this. So role of debt. See, this was a part of 10B syllabus. Is now in 10A, leverage and debt counseling. Okay, so maturity of debt. These are all, if you open your book, just see those chapters. It was there. It was all, these are of 10B. All has been given in 10A. All, everything, these are all the chapters of 10B. All has been given in 10A. I was just revising this chapter. See the example, if you check Gautamda, just see the example. The same is copied from 10B to 10A.
Yes, exactly.
Same
EMI.
example.
Same
EMI calculation. Same example. Copied. Just they have copy pasted it. See, loan restructuring, everything is there. Loan repayment. Same thing is given. Criteria of evaluating loans. All, everything is added. Just a copy paste. We haven't done in last NISM 10A or 10B avalanche. Here there is a new incorporation. New. Snowball is a new incorporation. Okay. Blizzard, new incorporation. Okay. This is what I wanted to identify. So these are the new incorporations. So I would suggest everybody to be very serious about this examination, and actually it will help you and groom you to become a complete advisor, and you will be knowing all these things. See, if somebody asks you, can you please, because today people ask me also sometimes, can you tell me what is step up SIP, madam? If you don't know, how will you be able to explain? If you don't know, if somebody
growing SIP also.
Growing SIP, they can ask you, what is growing SIP? What is a blizzard? What is a windfall? What is the avalanche? You will not be able to explain it, because today's investors are also quite qualified, and everybody can do a Google search immediately when you say an answer and check it back end, whether you are saying it correctly or not. They can judge your knowledge also as an advisor. Today, I have seen people also checking the profile of a faculty also.
Exactly.
Checking the profile of how many certificates she or he has. What is the level of experience she has or he has. They are checking it.
Yes.
Because it is so easily available in social media. Then the client can also check your profile through FB, and they can connect you directly through social media. And now it is not a difficulty of connecting any person, because a simple disease like corona has actually given a new evolution to the market, new transformation to the market. Today we have got connected through webinar. Only I would say it is a blessing of that small virus who has created a complete evolution, a transformation to this market. And we all are trying to enhance our knowledge, because today, instead of you, I'm also reachable to that client. And instead of me, you are also reachable to the client. Irrespective of the factor where you stay, what's the use? I can connect in Google, I can connect in social media, and I can do a video call, and I can speak and have a discussion like I'm having it now. And you can do it yourself. You are just a phone call away now. And in real time, you are connecting your advisor through a Google Meet or a Zoom or any other social media that you use. Through Messenger, anything, any way. Now it is easy for investor to search qualified advisors. Easier. So I hope I have explained why NISM 10A and 10B is so important. Over to Gautam.
Thank you so much. I think any question from the audience you can ask. We can start our program 30th on this month, and it will completely 1 month course, minimum 1 month. And we need complete support to all of you if you are interested to do the same thing. Otherwise, just you attend the class, pay the fees, that is not enough to clear the exam. We are not supposed to do this, okay? Because we are not interested that people who only buying or purchasing some certification. That this is not a purchasing of certification. This is completely learning process. If you are interested to learn and clear the exam, you just join. Otherwise, you don't join. Because if you are not able to do the class, you are able to do the learning, don't join. I request to all of you, if you are agree mentally, physically, financially, everything, when you are matched in a word, you are ready to do the NISM 10A or 10B for clearing the certification with learning, then you join. Otherwise, don't join. This is my request. Otherwise, you will be lose your confidence, and also we lost our credibility. We never lose our credibility because we know how to clear the exam. And so if you are agree with us, then only you join with us. Otherwise not. Many people ask me, what is your fees? What is fees? Fees is not the criteria only for this training. Fees only just a part. Your complete joining. Your joining is the main factor. Your participation is the main factor. Money is not the main factor to train this training. So money is not only money is not the criteria. Money is just a part. Money to is of course something money is there. So who are wanting to know that your course is huge course. So we wherever across the country who are the actual faculty, they are taking 20,000 per paper. But we are not taking that type of amount. We are taking only 8,000. But who are today, tomorrow, and up to Monday, who are ready to pay, they are only 25% discount. That is rupees 6,000. You can join this program. That is today is 22. 25th is the last date for 25% discount amount. That is 6,000. After 25th, you must pay rupees 8,000 for this training. And we start from 30th November. Weekly 2 days. And it will complete November month is taking. According to requirement, we don't know how many class also added class will be there, because syllabus is a huge syllabus. So we cannot.
We can at least say for 1 month, so 1 month and 1.5 months is minimum, I would say. 1 month to minimum hoga hi hoga your class, because yes, the syllabus is huge and there are case studies being added. So I don't know how they are going to take it, because it depends how each candidate are going to take it personally.
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
So if I feel that they are weak, so I cannot leave a person and I can quit from the class. I have only 10 classes, so I will do only 10 and leave off. So we have to continue till the time the last person passes. So that is the responsibility we are taking it. So in that case, I hope everybody agrees with me So in that case, we will be defining the classes. It depends upon the learning capability of each of the candidates. And
Yes,
by
yes.
taking through more 2-3 classes, we will be understanding it. What is the learning capability? So, and
Yes.
then we can decide we will be extending our classes more than 1 month or not.
Yes. Minimum 1 month. That is, I think minimum 1 month. I think it would take 1 month, 10 days also.
Yes,
Extra 10
yes,
days.
yes, yes, exactly,
That is,
exactly.
1 month. That is 1.5. We supposed to. So Ranjan Gupta is asking your full address. What full address means? What full address?
I stay in Durgapur, West Bengal.
Yeah, yes. I am in Calcutta. So we are at don't worry. We are in the industry in 3 decades. Since 1986, I am working in this field, 1986. So I know all AMC CEOs, and they also knows me. And all whatever you AMC guys are, the recent 2 people, Amphi chairman Bala sir and vice chairman madam, both are very nearest to me. So don't worry about us. We are in the industry. We are in the industry last 3 decades. So we are all in. I am also a CFP-CM. I am also a NSM 10A-10B. Also another NSM module we have. Commodity and others also. So friends who are interested, please, we have a group, WhatsApp group for masterclass. You can join, and who are actually want to do the course, please pay your fees. Please WhatsApp me in my number, and I give you the madam's bank's details. You can pay your fees. Discount fees 25 discount. That is 6,000 up to 25th on this month. So this is my number, WhatsApp number. Who are wanting to, this is WhatsApp number. Communicate. You can communicate with me anytime, any moment. So if any question, please ask us. We can. We can give the reply to all of you. Please ask. Open to all. Please. Ranjit, this is our WhatsApp number. Oh. 990-396-7272. This is our WhatsApp number, 990-396-7272. And everything is there. We have a group, already created a group. You already joined, or if you not joined, please join this group. That
Mr. Abhijit Das has a question that what will be the teaching methodology? The teaching methodology will be online. It will be online mode. Okay, how can you help to ensure that I have learned all logics and able to solve any question? Yes, there will be question sets, there will be tests happening in the class, there will be classroom tests, and there will be practice sheets, and there will be, and same as your exam. same as your exam, and there will be negative marking also being auto calculated. There will be that, and in the classroom also there will be some exams being conducted. So I will be able to understand. That is my own personal level of assuming. I would say assuming, actually I will definitely be able to say that whether you will be able to pass the examination or not, your understanding level, if you could crack all the solutions in the class. So, and that's all. I hope I have answered you, Mr. Abhijit.
Any
You
question?
have answered it. Hello.
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah, ma'am. I think you have answered it well. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Just an added to that, would you think that this 1 month or 1.5 month that we are talking about will be enough for us to get to that level of, your assessment that as an individual, I am ready or not to crack the exam, and to do we have to, the logistic part I'm asking, do we have to go into NISM and register for this course for attending this curriculum with you guys, or irrespective of that, we can go through this course, and once you assess that yes, I can crack the exam, I'm all ready, right? Then I go and register for the the NISM series A and B respectively.
I would say one is that you are correctly what you have said. We will be having test papers. First of all, I would say we will be having test papers which will give you the same atmosphere which you are going to get it in the examination. And the same, that negative marking is going to happen when you give those tests or attempt those tests. So you yourself can do a self-analysis on that, how much you are scoring. Second is that since we all are adults, so we don't, so whatever task that is given to you, suppose I have told my last batch to do each case studies 10 times. Why? Okay. Because you will be having shortage of time. So when I give the same case study, suppose here, same case study, suppose here to do, and if you cannot solve it, you need to find out where the figures are. You need to do a lot of searching for that. Then I can understand that there is less number of practice. So there will be chances of 50-50 to pass the examination. You need a lot of practice of yourself also. That I can do it. I will do my own assessment and I can always guide you. I am saying that the class is for 1 month, but I told you just now, I have said, if I feel the candidate is not capable enough to attend the examination after 1 month, 10 days of training, then I will defer that person. I will tell him to not to book a date, rather go for another 1 or 2 refresher classes and then sit for the examination to pass it in one go. Did I answer you?
Thank you so much. Appreciate.
Yes, yes. Actually, last time we have completed it 20 days. We have a commando training. If you hear our training process, you must complete it. But that's the catch. If you just attend the training time only, you can't clear it. Your practice is main thing. Because you definitely you can do it in your house, but you can't do it in exam hall because you have the time limited. That one math which you started first time when you doing a math, that will take time 10 minutes, but it actually need 1 minute. That is only you can do only practice. Whatever you are not practice it, you can't clear the exam. You have the knowledge, but you can't clear the exam. That is the main criteria in this exam and training. Many last batch, we have 3 people. They both all are CFP, CFA, but they have not cleared 3 to 4 times exam after exam, they had not cleared their NISM 10B. With our practice, they are cleared. Mr. Pankaj Gera, one of them. Bipin, please share your actual what happened. Bipin.
Sir, exam is not at all easy. एग्जाम के लिए हमें पूरी तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी, पूरा टाइम देना पड़ेगा, प्रैक्टिस बार बार करनी पड़ेगी, तभी जाके एग्जाम क्लियर होगा. जो हमें मैम बताएंगे ब्लाइंडली उसको फॉलो करना है, अपना दिमाग बिल्कुल नहीं लगाना. मैम ने अगर बोला कि ये वाली लाइन पढ़ो तो वही वाली लाइन पढ़ो. अगर मैम ने बोला बाकी पैरा छोड़ दो तो सच्ची छोड़ दो. केस स्टडीज को अगर मैम बोला कि 10 बार रिवाइज करो तो 10 बार ही रिवाइज करो. और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो इसमें बहुत अच्छा रहा है जी, कि मेरा स्कोर जो था 100 में से 80 प्लस स्कोर था दोनों में, 10A 10B में, वो भी शॉर्ट टाइम में, ज्यादा तैयारी के बिना. अगर प्रॉपरली मैम को फॉलो करेंगे तो 90 प्लस स्कोर आना मेरे हिसाब से कुछ भी नहीं है जी. ठीक है, तो बस यही चीज है कि मैम को जो मैम पढ़ाएंगे, जो मैम बताएंगे, उसी को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा.
पर्सनल लॉजिक नहीं चलेगा यहीं पे. आप जो प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड में आज 20 साल काम कर रहा है, आपका पास जो नॉलेज है वो नॉलेज आप एग्जाम हॉल में देंगे तो आप जरूर फेल करेंगे. यहीं पे एग्जाम के लिए जो पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा वही आपको वो सीखना पड़ेगा. और
जो सबसे मेन दूसरी बात है वो ये है कि जितना कम टाइम हमारे पास होगा एग्जाम की तैयारी करने के लिए, उतने ही ज्यादा हम फोकस रहेंगे. अगर हम यही वाला कोर्स जिसको मैम महीने या 1.5 महीने में कर रहे हैं, अगर हम इसको बोलें कि हम इसको 6 महीने में कराएंगे, तो हमारा ही फोकस सारा हट जाएगा इधर उधर, और हमारा जो लेवल ऑफ तैयारी है वो भी नहीं होगा, और ऊपर से हम उतने लॉयल भी नहीं रहेंगे तैयारी के लिए. तो जितना कम टाइम पे हमें मिलेगा हम उतने फोकस्ड रहेंगे और उतने अच्छे से तैयारी भी होगी.
Because concentration is main thing. This exam only for concentration. Any question? Any from Vishwaranjan? I have sent you the book already. Please check your WhatsApp. Allow any installment payment? No installment. This is very short payment, so no installment payment. One shot. This exam is 3,000 per exam. If any person 4 or 5 times attend this exam, you have gone 3 into 5. That is 15,000. So our target is one shot clearance. So if you want to one shot clearance, you need to guide any place by anywhere. You need to guide. Otherwise, you can't do it. This type of exam. This is impossible. Last time 10A was only for theory base, and nobody required for calculation or math. Every pupil without math, they are clearing the 10A exam. This time, nobody can clear exam without math. This is the basic difference. So previously, who are already cleared 10A previously, they should immediately take second time training, because otherwise he or she never cleared the 10A exam. That's why Jyoti already enrolled. She knows what is the difference between previous and recent. That's why.
हमारे टाइम पे क्या हुआ था कि हमें इनरोल करने से पहले हमसे एग्जाम की वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको एडमिट कार्ड मांगा गया था. तब हमने ये शुरू किया था.
यस, इस बार तो सोच ही नहीं पाएंगे.
हमने यहाँ पर पहले सर को अपना एग्जाम का एडमिट कार्ड दिया था, उसके बाद हमारी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई थी.
Yes.
Now Vipinji feels not possible because the syllabus is so huge, and pura ka pura 10B has transformed to 10A, and 10, and there are some add-ons also, and you can imagine how big and fat is the book.
मैम मैं तो जब आप बुक दिखा रहे थे मेरे तो मतलब वो कहते हैं ना वो खड़े हो रहे थे, वो रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे थे बुक देख के ना, रियली मतलब मैं तो डर रहा था बुक देख के कि कितना टफ हो गया ये, बहुत ज्यादा टफ हो गया ये
अभी पासिंग चांस 10% नहीं रहेगा.
See, previously I had also done a Xerox of the previous book. It took 400 to 500 rupees. And जो नया book है इसका Xerox के लिए मेरे पास लिया है 1530 rupees. See the increment also.
499 पेजेस की बुक है.
हाँ.
This is complete advisory module. This is NISM 10A 10B who cleared, they need not any support from other sources, other education not needed. CFP plus, this is our thinking. This syllabus is CFP plus because CFP has no negative marks. This has negative marks. This is the basic difference. You can clear CFP but not clear NISM 10A 10B because NISM 10B has negative marks. 100% if you are not sure your answer, you can't do it. But CFP you can do it. 50% answer, 50% sure answer you can do it. But here is not possible. This is the basic difference. So I told that this is CFP plus, not CFP. This is equivalent. Now it is CFP plus. Anybody can say, take this time. CFP is costing is 1,50,000 for a PhD board and 50,000 for faculty. That is 2 lakhs and 1 year. But this is NISM 10A 10B costing is 3,000 per exam. That is 3 into 2, 6,000, and faculty cost is hardly 20,000. So this is very low cost for this type of education, which is more relevant in the country, in the industry, in our finance sector. So friends who are ready to do it, please immediately contact us and register your name, first come first basis, and only 30 people batch we are doing first batch, 30 to 33 maximum, because we cannot help. Yes, बताइए.
Can you prepone the times from 6:30 to 9:30? From 6:30 to 9.
Madam, many
6:30 for a professional is very difficult because I too have my own job, so I have to be connected at that point of time, which is not possible because I already have some online classes then. So my classes will complete, and after that, and I can go for the classes.
Many all are professional is who are taking this training. All are professional. They have daily work, so they cannot. If you are not free from your work, you cannot understand the class. Completely understanding, you need to understand. Your concentration is very requirement. Very requirement, your concentration. You have pending catch, you can't concentrate in the class. So we are at 8 p.m. You just clear your all previous work before 1 hour. Just 7 p.m. you clear your all work. After that, you fresh your mind and attend the class. Otherwise, you can't understand the class. This is not easy. This is not easy.
30th October will be our first class.
First class is 30th October because we start already. We need a first batch in 2021. Some cleared within December. Within December, we cleared the first batch.
So, ma'am, 30th October will be the first class, and you're saying it will be from starting 8 p.m. in the
evening.
evening.
Every Friday, Saturday.
Friday and Saturday.
Friday
the
and
first-
Saturday.
Yes.
Every and that would last
Friday and
for Friday and Saturday for how many hours?
Minimum 2 hours.
Two-
Minimum 2
2
hours. Yeah,
2 hours.
2.5 hours.
2.5
Sometimes
hours.
last experience, sometimes we have 3 hours also. Some classes.
But this
But-
time I be sure I will be not be doing except and otherwise if there is an urge from your end, except otherwise we will not extend more than 2 hours because the subject is difficult. You need to analyze yourself, and the course is also becoming becoming huge. So I need your concentration also. If you are
Right.
tired, you will not be able to take it so easily.
Understood. And this will be number of classes will be how many?
Minimum
that-
12. Minimum 12.
12.
Minimum 12. That is actually, this is new syllabus. We ultimately we cannot understand actually how to take, how you people are absorb the classes. This is first time. We are doing it first time in India, new syllabus. Nobody. After this batch, we can accumulate it. The next batch, how many time we can do? This is first time. Trial or error basis, we can running.
So in that
Because-
case, you have an advantage also. If I require more classes, I have to do it. I cannot quit myself. We are ready to go for it.
This is the basic difference. Previous class, we last class we have done only 5-day crash course, 5-day classes, only 2-3 classes access. That is ultimately 8 classes we have done. Now that is 10B. Now it is might be 15 classes will be there minimum. I think the syllabus is very huge syllabus.
And we get the book only after payment, right?
Yes, yes, you can get, but yeah, available. We have already circulated in many group. You can get, but a book is not matter. How to read, how to clear. This is the matter.
Right.
And process, actually process. You have a kitchen, but you have not processed the cook. You can't do it. That is the main thing.
Fully agree, sir.
You have we are ready to give you the book and everything, but you process is the main thing. How to clear, how to manage your negative marks, how to manage your times, how
Sir,
to
sir, how do we pay, sir? If I say yes, I want to join the course without thinking
yes.
too much. Sometimes you think too much that happen. Just say yes. So how do?
yeah,
So I
you
would
say
like to-
you
In fact, Jyoti madam had brought me to this platform, and I'm thankful and grateful to her. And I'm more keen to get the knowledge, and I see there is a method in this madness. And after hearing all of you, I'm pretty excited that I should acquire and this knowledge. So how do we proceed? If I have to say yes and
yes, we give you the bank details of madam. You just pay directly the madam's bank account.
Send a screenshot to Gautam.
Yes. So don't worry, madam is take care all of this payment method, and I accountability with me. I can total handle with this system, and 24/7 we are with you.
we get
In
the soft copy of the book,
soft
right?
copy, everything.
Hard copy
Because
as well?
now you don't take any hard copy from the market, Amazon or Taxman or because they have no, they are all our old book. They have no new book. So that money will be destroyed. Don't think so. Yeah, we have to, whatever we have serve you just print out and binding, spiral binding. That is the real, actual, that will help you. You don't purchase from others' book in the market. Don't purchase them. Only NISM provided book only clear the exam.
And sir, ma'am, would we get the recording of the classes that you?
No recording, because it is
recording will not
compliance.
actually help you.
No.
Main is compliance.
So yeah, I understand. I understand where you are coming from.
Main thing is compliance is very, very tough. NISM from NISM compliance is very tough.
So sure, I understand, sir. So the my immediate follow-up
whatever you have lost class, but you cannot last class you cannot attend it. We help you. Don't worry.
Okay, so for example, ma'am, there is a certain concept you've taught, and at that point in time, I thought that it's clear, but later on, a lot of questions are coming in.
You can write it to me, personal WhatsApp or in the group. I'll answer you.
Okay.
We are always ready. We are always ready to help.
So for that, we need not wait for a week,
No, any moment.
Whenever you are studying, see, I hope all of the candidates used to study till midnight. And if I am awake, I'm also awake for a longer period of time. If I'm awake, I can give you the answer immediately or maybe morning, next day morning. I'll give you the answer.
Sure, ma'am.
You need not have to wait. Or anybody in the group, we actually create Commando is actually a team. So anybody who knows the answer, who has understood, it's an open forum. He or she can give the explanation. You will get the answer.
But you never use Google. 90% answer is wrong from Google.
No Google search.
No
because
Google
this
search.
has created a lot of confusion in the last batch. So don't do Google search. Whatever there is there in the book, accordingly the papers are being set, and accordingly we'll get your answers over there. There will be no change. Okay, whatever I tell you, there will be no change. So you will get through.
Ma'am, how many years are you, have exposure to this kind of?
I am exposed to as a corporate trainer from 2001.
Okay, understood.
I am working with since 1986. So.
Great, sir.
So actually we see the born of the mutual fund industry. So at that time, SEBI was not there. Only UTI was there. Only. So. Don't worry. We have we are in the industry, and we are always updated. We have done previously 2 batches, CFP 2017 and 20. The 100% success. Last batch is 10A, 10B. Success ratio is 80%. So don't worry. We have the practical and theoretical experience we have. And we are in the industry. Our industry people all knows well with both of us. And not only mutual fund, including insurance industry. Finance industry, actually finance industry. Thank you so much. We should conclude the meeting. If any question, just 1-2 minutes, we are concluding. and I Bipin, please conclude the session. Vote of thanks to madam.
So you asking me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So मैं सभी का थैंक यू करना चाहूंगा कि जो आपने इस मीटिंग को अटेंड किया, और आई रियली विश कि ये मीटिंग में जो आपको समझने को और सीखने को मिला होगा वो आपके फ्यूचर की लाइफ में आपको जरूर काम आएगा। मेरे तो काम आ रहा है। मैं गौतम जी की टीम का पार्ट नहीं हूँ, मैं फ्रैंकली पहले अपना डिस्क्लेमर दे दूं। मतलब आई एम जस्ट लाइक यू, मैं भी एक स्टूडेंट हूँ, इनके साथ तभी जुड़ा था एज ए स्टूडेंट, जैसे आप कई लोग
लेकिन
जुड़े
आप
होंगे।
ये विपिन जी आपका बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा बता दीजिए तो ये लोग का पता चलेगा आप क्या कर रहे हैं इतना साल से, वो थोड़ा एक
जी
बार बोलिए।
जी एक्चुअली मैंने अपने 2002 में ग्रेजुएशन करी थी, और उसी के बाद से मैं कोचिंग सेंटर रन कर रहा हूँ अपना एक कॉमर्स का, और उसमें मैं बीकॉम सीए एमबीए के स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाता हूँ। और उसी से उसी ईयर में मैं अपना इनकम टैक्स और साथ साथ ये जो म्यूचुअल फंड्स का या फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर में आ गया था। सो उसके बावजूद भी मैं चाहता था कि मैं अपना ये सारे जो भी है कोर्सेज जैसे सीएफपी हो गया या 10A10B हो गया ये क्लियर करूं। बट क्योंकि मैं थोड़े छोटे टाउन से था, तो हमारे यहाँ जो नियरेस्ट लोकेशन थी वो यहाँ से 3 साढ़े 3 घंटे का रन था वन साइड का, ताकि वहां से मैं कुछ पढ़ सकूं। गौतम जी ने 2020 में भी ये 10A का बैच शुरू किया था, 10A10B का, बट मुझे याद नहीं है मैं क्यों मिस कर गया। मैं तभी ईगर था उस बैच को अटेंड करने के लिए। उसके बाद ये मेरा लक था कि 2021 में फिर से वो बैच इन्होंने शुरू किया था। सो इस टाइम वो मैं मौका हाथ से जाने नहीं जाता रहा, मैं सर से पर्सनली कई बार टच में रहा कि सर इस बार मैंने छोड़ना नहीं है ये बैच। तो मेरी सर से पहले कभी कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुई, बट मैंने इनका नाम बहुत सुना है, और मैंने इसको फील भी किया है। फील कैसे किया है कि इनके जो लिंक्स हैं ना वो बहुत दूर दूर तक है। एनआईएस में भी इनके लिंक्स हैं। मतलब हमें हमारे लिए सीट्स नहीं मिल रही थी एग्जाम देने के लिए, स्लॉट्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे, और इन्होंने पता नहीं कैसे जोड़ तोड़ लगा के कहाँ कहाँ बात करके क्या किया क्या नहीं किया, जितने भी हम सब लोग थे, जितने भी हम स्टूडेंट थे, सभी को एग्जाम की सीट अलॉट हुई। तो आई मीन टू से मेरी जर्नी बहुत अच्छी रही है। तो तभी आज मैं फिर से सरवनी मैम और गौतम जी के साथ आज बैठा हूँ। सिर्फ मेरा रीजन यही है बैठने का कि मैं फिर से जो चीजें नई है वो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, जो मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ। ठीक है, तो क्वालिफिकेशन तो है मेरे पास, पर जो अपने आप को इन चीजों के साथ जैसे जैसे बदल रही हैं उनके साथ साथ खुद को भी साथ में लेके जाना, वो मेरा पर्पज है। सो दैट्स व्हाई मैं आपके साथ ही 10A भी बैठूंगा। मैं भी सीखूंगा 10A में क्या है क्या नहीं, सारा कुछ मैं करूंगा जी आपके साथ ही। सो आई होप सबको ठीक लगा होगा जी, अच्छा होगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम इतना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लेने के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, ये जो आपने इनिशिएटिव लिया है। सो इसी के साथ हम आज की ये मीटिंग क्लोज करते हैं।
ये टुडे आल्सो आई हैव सेंड ए मेल टू एनएसएम जीएम नितिन सर को कि हमारा ये नया बैच चालू हो रहा है, हमको दिसंबर महीने के एक साथ हम पैन इंडिया में हम बोला है करीब 30-35 पीपल का एग्जाम सीट चाहिए। तो पहले आज हम ही मेल कर दिया, आज के सुबह मेल किया कि हमारा ये सीट चाहिए। तो
और
वो
जो
ये
मुझे
शुरू से ही कर दिया, क्योंकि कहाँ से कहाँ कौन शहर में उसका सीट नहीं मिलेगा तो कैसे एग्जाम देंगे। तो अरेंजमेंट शुरू का दिन से हम स्टार्ट कर दिए उनका इसके लिए। ये सबसे जो किसी ने जो आप तो पढ़ाई तो कर लिए लेकिन आपका एग्जाम सीट नहीं टाइम से नहीं मिलेगा तो आपका तो कुछ नहीं होगा। ये एनआईएसएम ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। हाँ विपिन जी।
पे ग्रुप बना हुआ है मेरा, वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिव। तो इसलिए कुछ भी अगर पूछना हो तो सारे सर को डायरेक्टली मैसेज कर सकते हैं, एंड ही इज ऑलवेज देयर लाइक ए एल्डर ब्रदर। तो मतलब हर चीज में उन्होंने हमारा प्रॉपरली साथ दिया है। तो ठीक है सर, मेरी तरफ से यही है जी आज।
थैंक यू सो मच। मैडम कुछ बोलने का है?
I have completed. So in advance, I would say, I did not say Shubho Vijaya because I'm a Bengali. So I wish all of you that our goddess Durga gives that power and blessings to all of you, so that you enrich yourself and do every enhancement in your life, or reach your future goals, whatever wishes that you have, may all those wishes come true. And at 30th, when we will be meeting, we will be surely before the Diwali. So it will actually enlighten all of us. So it will actually a celebration for us. So let's do it with lot of pomp and grandeur. And I hope I have made everybody's questions clear. And if you have any question, you can always give it in the group, and I will be answering it, or Gautam Da will be answering it, and it will be always an on-time answer. I hope so, if not late. Thanks to all.
Thank you. Good night. सबका सुबह बजे है। Thank you. Good night.